In this video, I will show you step by step how you can access Sora Video Generator AI in your country if it's not available. So if it's not available in your country, what we can do is we need to head over to settings. You want to click on your Apple, and then you want to go down to media and purchases. Click on view account, and then once we log into our account, you want to go to country and region, and then you simply want to find a country which it is available in. So it's currently available in the United States, so I would search for United States, click on this, and then as you can see, you can now click to change your country. Click on continue. You can go through all of this here, click on agree in the top right hand corner, and then once you do that, you will then be able to change your country to that specific region. If this doesn't work, what we can do is we can go back, and then you want to go to your app store on Android or iPhone, and then you simply want to search for VPNify. Now, VPNify is a free VPN that we can use. You want to download and install this one. Click on open. And then you want to go to continue with ads. This is absolutely free. And then you want to find a region on which it is available. So if you go down, you can go to United States, for example. You will then get an ad. And then once this ad has then played, what we can do then is we can cross it off. And then once we cross it off, we will then be able to connect to this VPN. And then once we connect to the VPN, as you can see, I'm connected to the United States VPN. You've got 24 hours, and then once the 24 hours is up, if you watch another ad, you will be then able to connect again for another 24 hours. So once you've done this, you can then go over to the Sora download page, which looks something like this, and then you can then simply click on download in the top right hand corner. And then once we click on download, you will now be able to download Sora in the country or region that you are in.